Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a property in the Racket Club, and this property is actually very large and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and the views from every room in the house are stunning. There's even a casita on the second floor, and everybody joked when we were checking out this house, they're like, I would just live on the second floor and not in the main house. And I was like, me too, okay? And there's a little like secret garden in the back of the house. So you go out this door and you go up these stairs and it goes into this really cool like multi-level garden. And from the little casita at the top, you can see both the gardens. You'll see they're separated by a wall, but you can see both of them, and they kind of make a nice view out the kitchen window or out the front door of the casita upstairs. So before we get started, today, I would like to tell you about our businesses, Estrellita's Bed and Breakfast and Gato Feo Cafe. They're both located in Ajijic Centro, walkable to everything. We have AC, even in the common area and in the cafe, and we have excellent Wi-Fi, probably the fastest Wi-Fi in town. So if you are looking to come down here and take an exploratory trip of Mexico and the Ajijic lakeside area, and you still have to work, then we have great Wi-Fi. You can use it at your leisure. And yeah, so all of our rooms come with AC, streaming TVs. We pay for Netflix and Amazon Prime, so you don't have to put your information in. And the cafe is open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day to the public. And we would love it if you guys stayed with us, if you came down to visit. And to get more information on these businesses, you can visit my website, therealadventureturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and you'll find a link to the Chapala MLS so that you can check that out. And there's a contact form on there. If you filled that out, that goes straight to my email, so we can start a dialogue if you are looking to buy here or if you are looking to sell here. So yeah, go check that out, and let's go check out this property.
Acampados encontraba un regimiento y una moza que valiente lo seguía, locamente enamorada del sargento. Popular entre la tropa era Adelita, la mujer que el sargento idolatraba, porque a más de ser valiente era bonita, y hasta el mismo coronel la respetaba. Y se oía
All right, guys, this big, beautiful home is listed for $685,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on 2 levels. The construction size is 506 square meters or 5,447 square feet. The lot size is 1,190 square meters or 12,809 square feet. The HOA is about 3,500 pesos per month. It comes furnished, and it's located in the Racket Club in San Juan, Cosala.
Le compraría un vestido moza que valiente lo seguía, locamente enamorada del sargento. Popular entre la tropa era Adelita, la mujer que el sargento idolatraba, porque a más de ser valiente era bonita, y hasta el mismo coronel la respetaba.
Y se oía que decía aquel que tanto la quería.
Si Adelita se fuera con otro, la seguiría la huella sin cesar. Si por mar en un buque de guerra, si por tierra en un tren militar. Soy soldado y la patria me llama, a los campos que vaya a pelear. Adelita, Adelita de mi alma, no me vayas por Dios a olvidar.
Hasta el amanecer yo me quise quedar, ver el sol renacer y contigo bailar cada paso que das. No lo voy a olvidar, es que bailar contigo será mi destino y por siempre será. La orquesta se fue y apagaron las luces y no nos importó, porque el tango era dulce. La gente se durmió, nos quedamos solitos, dos corazones unidos, como un tango bonito. Llegó el amanecer con un brindis final. Se acabó el tango dulce y la inolvidable noche celestial. La orquesta se fue y apagaron las luces y no nos importó, porque el tango era dulce. La gente se durmió, nos quedamos solitos, dos corazones unidos, como un tango bonito.
Alrighty, here's the home we're looking at right here. This is the street that you come up to the house in, and here's your driveway right here. This is all patio of the front, or of the main living area, and then this is all casita here. And the gardens that I was telling you about, this one right here, there's a wall here that kind of divides it, and then the little door is right here to the secret garden here, and then this one is like on an uphill slope, so it's a nice view out the kitchen window and everything of the casita. Now, all right, let's zoom out. The cool thing about this house is that you have all of this mountain view behind you, and to the other side, as you saw in the video, you have a lake view. So we are in the Racket Club, and from this house, this right here, this whole area is the community center. So you have a pool, you have a hot tub, you have all this area right here that is basically a clubhouse. So there's a full commercial kitchen in here with tables, chairs, everything. So if you want to throw a party in there, you totally could. You have racquetball, tennis ball courts, you have a walking track, and this also doubles as a dog park here. And this is all parking for the clubhouse and the pool and everything. So I would say that Racket Club has one of the best community centers that I've seen here. I think also, what is it called? El Dorado on the Libramiento has a really nice one too, but you know, this one's huge, huge. Okay, so we're going to zoom out a little bit. Also in the Racket Club, you have Mantecosa Spa, which is very nice. And all, as I've said before in my previous videos, the entirety of Racket Club is geothermal healing water. So all the homes get the geothermal water pumped into them, and some of the homes in the Racket Club have to have cooling systems because the water is just too hot when it comes in. So within the Racket Club, you also have Mantecosa Spa, excellent views from this spa here. So I just want to explain this a little bit. Chaclan restaurant is very delicious and it's very nice and it overlooks the lake. So that's a nice little feature of the Racket Club. So all throughout here, you have some dipping pools. They're all different temperatures. Over here, you have more. You can get massages here at the spa. This is a big cold water infinity pool here. And then obviously you have the restaurant here. They have weddings and everything, events, concerts and stuff like that in this area. You also have La Vida Bella Spa, hotel and restaurant. From what I understand, they're all the same owners, Mantecosa and La Vida Bella. So this restaurant is delicious. I just went there with a friend of mine the other day. Very good. And they also have a spa here as well with hotel rooms and stuff. So if you have guests that stay with you, I mean, I don't know why you would have them stay in a hotel unless you can't stand them. Because this house has, you know, pretty decent casita. But if you don't want them on your property, then you can put them over here at La Vida Bella Spa or Mantecosa Spa, whatever. Anyway, okay, so here's the Racket Club here, and then you are located in San Juan Cosala, and down here are some more thermal water spas. And San Juan Cosala is a very Mexican cultured town, and it's very small. So if you want to kind of get out of here and go do some exploring through San Juan Cosala, you could do that. It's pretty nice. There are some really good restaurants through here actually. So that's nice. And then let me give you the entire scope of the lakeside area here. So the houses right here in the Racket Club, you've got San Juan Cosala. Over here to the east, you have Jocotepec. Well, first Chantepec and then Jocotepec. I'm sorry, to the west, you have Jocotepec and Chantepec. And then to the east, you have West Ajijic here, Ajijic, San Antonio. Riberas is right here, and Chapala. You can also go to the other side of the lake and do some exploring there. And then if we zoom out even more, you'll see the entirety of Lake Chapala. And here's Guadalajara. Your closest large grocery store is probably going to be Pancho's, and that's a 10-minute drive down the road. You can also get some shopping done in this little town here. There's going to be some abarrotes and different little stores where you can do some grocery shopping. Ajijic Centro is a 20-minute drive. To get to Joco Centro is a 22-minute drive. To get to Chapala Centro is a 35-minute drive. And to get to the airport from this house is an hour and 4 minutes. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down below. And if you'd like to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.